Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me here on this Clutterless Closet's makeover. I'm really excited to show you how I work and take you behind the scenes so you can learn and apply these techniques to your own project. Coming up. Hi, this is Christine with Clutterless Closets, where clutterless living is life. We love encouraging, educating, and energizing you as you eliminate the unnecessary, enjoy the essentials while giving back, and are enabled to live life to its fullest. On this channel, we share tips, tricks, and how-tos in the Clear the Clutter series. You can also watch as I complete client makeover projects, like in this video, and so much more. So subscribe below so you don't miss future videos that will help you live a clutter-free life. Welcome to this Clutterless Closets makeover. I'm so excited to share this makeover with you as I organize an open entryway closet. Today I'll be walking and talking you through this makeover as we watch together on a dual screen. So let's get started. Let me start by giving you a little background for this makeover. As you can see, there's a lot going on in this closet. It's turned into being a catch-all rather than a closet. This is a household of 5, 2 adults, 3 very active kids. As you can see, there are backpacks, soccer gear, chairs, baseball gear, basketball shoes, and if you look really hard, there's a pair or 2 of pink ballet slippers. Like I said, these kids are very active. Being a large family and keeping things organized can be tough, especially when you have 3 kids that are keeping you on your toes. This area is the first thing people see when they walk into the home, so my client wanted me to tidy it up a bit so that it's more welcoming than scary. So in this video, I'm going to take you step by step on how to declutter your entryway and give you a few little tips on how to keep it clutterless. Alright, it's time to get into a clutterless mindset. As you can see, this is not the first time I've done this closet. We usually do a spring organization and a winter organization. So this video is all about the winter organization. We're getting it ready for spring. So we are putting all the winter clothes away and just making it a little less to say cluttered. You want to make sure that you clear everything out of the closet after you've assessed the situation. This will help you figure out what to keep, donate, put in storage for next season, or things that you might just toss. Things that have been worn out, holes, stuff that you just can't donate or give as hand-me-downs. As you can see, I've already started bagging some of the winter stuff that will be going into storage. I do recommend, however, though, you get your bags or your boxes set before you start putting things away. But I did know beforehand what was going to be donated and stored. And there are our store, donate, and trash bags. Like I said before, I had done this closet area before, so we purchased all the shoe shelves, baskets beforehand. But I will have links down below in the description for all of the things, all the baskets and shoe shelves and coat racks for you if you're interested. Another reason to clear the space completely out is so you'll see what you have accumulated there. I mean, we have Easter baskets and blow-up car seats for children that no longer need them. So those will be a donate or even possibly a garage sale item. I know it seems like a lot of work clearing this out, but believe me, the end result is worth it. I don't know if you noticed, but I had to work around electrical boxes, the alarm box, and there's another utility closet behind these shelves. So we had to go with a lightweight shoe shelf. I was lucky that I had a room right off the entryway closet to put all this stuff in. So here is our accumulated entryway closet items. Your next step is to clean it all. You want to wipe off all the shelves, get the dust, pick up the trash. These are great shoe shelves. Lightweight, easy to move. That way they had accessibility into those utility closets. I slowly started putting shoes in specific areas. And don't be afraid to use what you have. This bench has that middle bar that you can totally put heels on, and it works out perfect. And it makes space for other shoes as well. And I love the look of the baskets, and they're easy to fill with. This is summer toys, picnic blankets. I have glasses, stuff that you grab every day right there at your fingertips as you're walking out the door. When you're putting the shoes back in to the shoe shelf, you want to do a toe to heel, and they slide right in. Don't get discouraged. Like I saw myself just move those shoes. It's because I had another pair of heels. Don't get discouraged on moving something to put something else there. There's a space for everything, and you will find it. Might take you 1 or 2 times, but you will find it. These were great baskets, nice size. I was able to put all the summer toys in one. the picnic blankets, and then we have so much soccer gear that I put all of it in there. There's shoes and shin guards. What's awesome about this space is I was able to do an adult side with shoes and a child side. It just makes it easier for the kids to grab their gear and run out the door. Like I said before, they had basketball and soccer and baseball stuff. So the backpacks that you saw above had their basketball gear in one and the baseball gear in the other. Like I said before, I love using baskets, but don't take advantage of it, because you can find that the baskets, you'll just throw things in there and it'll become unorganized. So once you have the stuff that you want in the baskets, in categories, sorry, keep it that way. I love that makeover. Just a little tip, if you wear a jacket out and you come home and you hang it back up, or you put the shoes back in the shoe bin, it's going to be easy to keep organized. I want to thank you for watching this video. And before you go, please subscribe below and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Also, if you could, please share this video with your friends or family. It would really help this channel out. And like I always say, do it now, because later is clutter's best friend.